Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Preston speaking today. Today we will be focusing on a topic that concerns every Malaysian share investor. So what happened is I will be talking about the difference between 2021 stamp duty versus 2022 stamp duty for shares traded in Malaysia. So what happened was on October 2021, October 29, the Finance Minister of Malaysia came out with a budget to remove the 200 ringgit stamp duty cap and increase the stamp duty cost to 0.15% from 0.10%. So you can go to the Malaysia Finance Minister budget website and see the announcement. So the announcement says this, okay, stamp duty increase in price and abolishment of the RM200 maximum price you pay on each contract. So today we will see the difference between the 2021 payable stamp duty for shares traded in Malaysia versus 2022 stamp duty for shares traded in Malaysia. I have prepared a simple Excel spreadsheet for you to see the difference you'll be paying for stamp duty payable. For simplicity today, I will not include commission costs and clearing fee costs, okay, for shares purchase. But if you want to know the fees payable, you can go to the Bursa Malaysia website and you can see what are the fees payable, okay? So let's do a simple analysis and comparison. In 2021, if you buy 200,000 ringgit worth of shares, that is 1 ringgit, you will have to pay 200 ringgit worth of stamp duty, or 0.1% of 200,000 ringgit. The good news is for this year, if you buy more than 200,000 ringgit worth of shares or sell more than 200,000 ringgit worth of shares, your payable stamp duty is still 200 ringgit. So it doesn't matter you buy 300,000 or sell 300,000, you trade 400,000, 500,000, or you trade 1 million, 5 million, 10 million ringgit worth of shares on the same day, your payable stamp duty in 2021 is still going to be 200 ringgit. So the unfortunate news is it is not the same in 2022. In 2022, the 200 maximum stamp duty has been abolished. So you have paid no maximum. So the bigger you trade, the more you pay for stamp duty. And the stamp duty has increased from 0.1% to 0.15%. So if you buy 200,000, you pay 300 ringgit worth of stamp duty. If you buy 300,000, 450, 400,000, you pay 600, and the list goes on. If you buy 10 million ringgit worth of shares a day, you'll be paying 15,000 ringgit worth of stamp duty. So the difference can be quite significant if you trade bigger and bigger sums. You buy or sell bigger contracts. So the difference for 200,000 is 100 ringgit. The difference for 300,000 is 250 ringgit. 50% difference, and then it increases to 125% difference. If you trade 400,000 ringgit worth of shares, you'll be paying 600 ringgit worth of stamp duty, which is 400 ringgit more expensive compared to 2021, and a 200% increase. 500,000 will be 275% increase. 1 million ringgit. Oh my God. The rich man will not be very happy. The rich man will have to pay additional 1,300 ringgit worth of stamp duty, or an increase of 650% worth of stamp duty in the next year, 2022. 5,3650%. And in 2022, if you are trading 10 million ringgit worth of stocks, you will pay additional 14,800 ringgit worth, or an increase of 7,400% in 2022. Okay, so maybe it is a better idea to trade more this year in 2021 because the fees will increase in 2022. So this is all I have to share with you today. If you have more questions on share trading, it is best that you talk to your remisier. A remisier is your agent who helps you with your share trading questions. And thank you for viewing. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye and good night.